Tuesday. Good morning. We've just got a load on. I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. We got some big news. There's some big things happening today. Pretty out of control, if you don't mind me saying at all myself. Right now, we've got a load of pipe on, big load of pipe on. Big load of pipe on. A lot of cars coming. See if I can get you out the window, we'll have a look. I don't know if you can see it back there, but big load of poly pipe. I'm going to get out of here. Load this stuff in the city, so Parramatta Road-ish down towards the city. So we'll cruise down there. We might throw these on the back with a bit of pipe somewhere, from somewhere to somewhere. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but yeah. Morning, how we doing? Quick run up the coast this morning. Dropped a load of pipe off already, and we're doing the second one now. We're just on the M4. Just getting off the M4. Go deliver this load of pipe and then we may be off on a little mission. Time will tell, but yeah. Going to unload poly pipe, electrical pipe, big conduit pipe that we got on, and then go and do something else. This is the moment. Jesus, this road's bumpy. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Oh, stop her. There she is. The big girl is ready to go. Oh, stop her. Have a look at the unit. That's fine. We've got the new trailer on. Well, we've got my trailer on, and she's currently passing the speed test because I can smell brakes. I'm assuming it's the bloke in front of me. I hope it's not me. I'm going to be stopping up here at the nest, so I got a brake stuck on. So I don't think so. I'd know by now. It's got no dramas moving. It's not going rolling. I'm not dragging. Smell is going away, so I dare say it would be the big unit in front of me here down the hill. I pop my head under. I'll feel all these hubs when I walk around it up here at the nest and see. Give her another walk around just to make sure nothing's out of the ordinary, but yeah, we'll be right. Fucking happy days. We got our So this is it. This is the next chapter. Well, it doesn't stop anything that's happening right now, but this is the next goal to be ticked off the list, which there she is. Pretty good thumbnail, we'll try and work that out. Yeah. That's the big girl. There she is. There's the young bloke admiring the new trailer. What do you reckon, bud?
Yeah.
Bam. 2001 freighter. It's an ex-Big Fleet trailer. All the servicing's up to date. Suspension's great. Brakes are great. Floor's good. It's got brand new curtains, as you can see. So the curtains were replaced as part of the sale, I guess. It did have white curtains on it, and it's ended up with these brand new blue M&Gs. So it just works perfect with the truck. Different shade, obviously, but doesn't matter. She looks the part. She's all open on spiders. Doors are good, floors are good, gates are good. Udall is our number plate. I'll end up putting some new lights on the back, a couple more lights on the sides, and that's pretty much it. It'll go to work. Yeah, that was a big one, man. Yeah. So that's it. Nah, no more, bud, no more. Oi. out of Tattersall Road onto Vardy's. Hello and welcome back to Aaron Fuller Transport, the weekly vlog. This will be number 10. 10 weeks in a row. We're still going. So how good is that? Thank you all for watching and for your support. I'm home early today. It's Wednesday. Didn't film anything yesterday or Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, no footage. Today, I just got home, grabbed the GoPro out of the office. Big girl sitting pretty. What we have over here, so I've got the gazebo set up on the back of the truck and I've got to change this mud guard, so I'm just going to time lapse that happening and then I'll do a walk around once we're finished. But here we are. Alright, so this guard is off. I'm just going to take some measurements. Truckmate guard, they're the same guard, so I'll take some measurements from down here up to the bottom of the bracket and then the center line of the hole, first hole, and then hopefully I can't really fuck it up too much. Same deal with the bottom holes here. I'll use this on the inside of the guard. It pretty much sits in there perfect, so I'll use that as the guide for the joiner there, weather flat, whatever you want to call it. These tires, believe it or not, I just got them rotated, but close to 100,000 on these things now since we got them on, and they're still fucking apples. Right, I reckon I'm about halfway. Old guard's off, all the brackets are off. New guard's here. We've got one bracket on, just measuring up the same distance like I showed you on the other one, and then in to the whole center, and it's yeah, spot on. So it's just my first measurement in. Obviously I was a bit off, so we moved it up, but that's it. We are getting there. We don't have everything, but we make it work. I got an impact driver, but I don't have the little 3/8. This is a quarter, but I didn't have the little 3/8 square drive insert. I can't seem to find it, so I ended up just using a punch and ended my drill jammed into the socket, which you would have seen me struggling with over there, but we use what we got. This is where we're at. The next step of this, I reckon you'll see me putting it back on. So guards on. Don't have much battery left on this GoPro, so quick look, guards on. I just got to get this back on, but it's all looking pretty good. Drill some holes out along here to hold that on with this, and we're done.